Hey folks, how you doing? Kanal here. Another a nice day in the markets. We had pretty much a digestion day. Um, we didn't get much traction either way, up or down. But what I must say that's been pretty positive about this market is that the dips themselves are being they're very shallow. They happen very fast and they recover quickly. And I always look at the intraday action um, in the indices to kind of get an idea of really, who's in control in terms of, right, are those dips getting bought or do the rallies get sold? I really watch that intraday action to kind of get a gauge of really what's happening in terms of the price action. And I must say, I mean, the Bulls are definitely in control. We haven't seen any sign of letdown yet. Been trying to dip up, but there's just no follow through, right? We're red for like 15, 20 minutes, then we bounce right back. So this is pretty good action. The day today I would consider very bullish. We didn't really even pull back. We finished a little bit green, so just a consolidation day. Overall, pretty good. Let's take a look at some stocks. GMXR. I really like the look here, right above that 50 and 20-day moving average. I think that this one's going to hit $1 at some point. It needs to hold over this 80 level, but I like the spot in here, so I'm definitely have this one on watch. PPH, and I almost added this thing end of the day for a swing into tomorrow, but I hate this stock is such a turd. It's like the last thing you want to do is be holding overnight and you get hit with some crappy news. So on watch for tomorrow. We'll see how it opens here, but we're kind of at a key level. VG Vonage, right? We just got this breakout. We're flagging here right at the 2 level. Look for any thrust over. We might see a run maybe to 220 or so in this stock over a couple days. It's a very thick stock, like kind of like a Sirius satellite radio, so it doesn't necessarily explode like a lower float stock would. So it might be take a couple days to get there when it does break. GFA, this is a Brazilian home builder. I almost hit this today, but my buddy Fuinhas in the chat room was ignoring me when I was asking if it's time. But I like this one over 3. Um, we'll keep a watch on this for tomorrow. RSH, I was gonna hit this thing at 290 today, but I just forgot. But we're kind of at this level here. It's coming out of range. I think this $3 mark will be key. I think at over 3 we start to speed up. I know we got this nasty candle here, but sometimes you just got to pretend like that candle never happened. And then if you look at it, it looks pretty cool, and we could run maybe to 325 or so. Merge, definitely a nice spot here too, right? We got the break and then a nice pullback here. It's just resting, so when it kind of comes out of this little triangle thingy, flag thing, it should be a go. GNK, the big breakout from low 2s to almost $4. A nice, easy kind of 3-day pullback here. It looks like this one has held up very well. I think this one's going to be in play tomorrow. Goal, right? This $5 break was key. We'll see how this acts tomorrow, but I think that this one's going to have some follow through. And then CPE, thrust above, flagging. I think we got a scalp here. We might be able to go a little bit higher than the 200-day moving average. I will keep this thing on watch. ZAG, I got this on the list. If the market rolls over, this could be an easy short. We're kind of just bear flagging here. Haven't even had really a dead cat bounce or any type of bounce. It's just been right chilling. So there might be another leg down in this thing. SMBL, right? Just tight ranges. It's getting ready to make a move. It just needs to come out of this range. SEE, the terrible spike down. We're just kind of consolidating here. Reminds me a little bit about how Trip last week when we shorted it. Right under where the gap would fill. It just has been chilling here. Low volatility, low volume. So when it can snap down out of this kind of area here, we could see $13 really quickly. And then SEMO, right? We had the earnings breakout, and now just a consolidation between 15 and 16. I like the look of this. I think that overall, this one looks like it probably could hit the 200-day moving average at some point if it can get over this key level of maybe 16. So that's it for now, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Take care.